In the early days, we thought COVID was a great equalizer. We were all vulnerable to it. We were interdependent. Inclusive capitalism should have risen to the rescue and been our beacon of light, but instead, limits of the market were deeply exposed, and in fact, the inequities were far worse than many imagined. Workers died in meatpacking plants as companies cut corners on safety and PPE. Death rates in communities of color exposed decades of inequity in healthcare, housing, and economic opportunity. At the same time, companies were lining up for government relief and lobbying hard against hazard pay and sick days for workers. And yet we don't have what we need, a people's vaccine. Despite all the public investment that underwrote those innovations, we don't know whether manufacturers will prioritize public health over profit and offer vaccines at cost. Yes, capitalists should strive to be inclusive and help solve problems, even if they retain much of their wealth. But if there's any doubt that we also need government policy to play a definitive role along with social pressure, just contrast the Biden and Trump administrations. In under 50 days, a Biden presidency brought us a pandemic rescue plan, and a jobs plan is in the works, and a families plan close behind. Policy matters, leadership matters. So there's no doubt we need non-market forces to solve our problems, to bring out the best in us and not just a race to the bottom.